In this video series, we walk you through the dashboards of our Demo BI application. This demo covers a wide range of dashboards on billings, revenues, sales, marketing, and many more based on a simulated company which is selling subscriptions. Today, we look at the billings dashboard and how you can get an up-to-date overview of your company's billings. Designed specifically for subscription businesses, this dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of billings performance compared to budget over time. In this video, we will walk through our demo billings dashboard. As you can see, the billings dashboard is designed to offer a clear visual representation of billing trends, with billings defined as amounts invoiced to customers. The interface is intuitive, ensuring that you have all the essential data right at your fingertips. Front and center, we have the billings chart. This bar chart lets users track billing performance by day, week, month, and year, and compare it easily with the corresponding budget. It also includes custom annotations on various levels, i.e. marking specific holidays or days of a sales events. Accompanying it is the billing table, which offers a more detailed exploration of the data, ensuring you never miss a beat. Below the billings chart, you'll find the Growth Rates YOY % table. This presents a year-over-year comparison analysis of billings. With this, users can quickly assess the growth or decline in billings compared to the same period of the previous year, providing invaluable insights into the company's financial trajectory. Oh, and here is something important to mention. In addition to what we've covered, there is also a table dedicated to billings versus budget in percentages. This table helps you understand how your actual billings compare to the budget, which is crucial for financial planning and decision-making. Now, let's have a quick look at the second tab called Invoice Count. In this tab, you will find a bar chart that shows the number of invoices based on the configuration of the filters. The Invoice Count tab provides a different perspective on your data. It is a great way to see how invoices are distributed based on your selected filters. What sets the billings dashboard apart is its interactivity. Users can tailor the data to their specific needs using a range of filters. The filter's definition will be according to the customer's needs. What you see here are the example products from our demo company. Once Qmantic is implemented for your company, you will see your products, your country grouping into regions, etc. Starting with the time range filter, users can define the exact period they wish to analyze. The time grain filter allows for further granularity, letting users view data by days, weeks, months, or even quarters. Then there's the breakdown filter, offering unparalleled flexibility. Whether you want to analyze data by product group, country code, customer category, pricing model, or region, this filter has you covered. It determines the segments of the bar chart and the rows of the tables, ensuring a customized data viewing experience. For instance, by setting the filters time range to last month, time grain to day, and breakdown to region, you can understand and analyze the daily financial performance during the last 30 days per region. With its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface, Qmantic's billings dashboard is an indispensable tool for SaaS companies aiming for data-driven growth. Qmantic, your partner for data-driven success. If you're interested in exploring this and the other dashboards featured in this demo on your own, it's simple. Just visit freedemo.qmantic.com, where you can easily sign up for a free demo account. And if you find that a similar dashboard could benefit your own company, don't hesitate to get in touch with us at contact@qmantic.com.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand business tips.